Are we living in fast forward if all our time is limited? You take for granted, I'm just grateful to be given it. Live fast, die young with your syndicate. Till this life is done, I'll just be happy to be living it. I mean, I take it slow so we can soak it in, cause when I reach that door I know we'll be opening. Then we going in, confidence my only friend. If you think I'm rushing, then you really just don't know me then. Speaking of rushing, now I wanna slow it down. I live up in the moment, so emboldened by the sound of people talking nothing. I'm walking, they passing running, stay chilling, looking for something I can use to kill discussion. Talking about this and them, gossip never listening. My life is a melody, I block out all the dissonance. Cause money's certain to equal time, so when life is going fast, a vertical equal sign. Pause.
If I could slow down time, this life won't pass me by. If I could click rewind, I know I'd be just right. My love, please believe me, it's delay and take it easy. I know I need to just slow down, slow down.
My whole life's just been a couple minutes, years gone in a second, then an hour it is finished. Doing what I can, trying to stop the world from spinning just because